How to delete a chat in Microsoft Teams. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you through the simple and easy steps on how you can delete a chat permanently in Microsoft Teams. So if you wish to delete a particular chat or conversation in Microsoft Teams, that too permanently, then the steps are quite easy. The first step is to make sure that you are inside the chats tab over the left hand side, and if you are in there you will see an interface like this that will show you all of the chats that you have in your Microsoft Teams account. Now you will need to select that particular chat that you wish to delete. So for example, I wish to delete this particular chat. So once I'm done with this, I can click onto this more options or these three horizontal lines, and once I do this, this menu appears, and from this menu I can click onto this last option, that is delete. Once I click on delete, this gives me a warning which says this will only delete the chat for you. So yes, that is true, that it only deletes the chat for me and not for the other person. The other person can access the chat as it is until and unless they too delete it. So if you wish to proceed, click onto this delete option, and now you can see that the chat has been successfully deleted. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.